Hello everybody, today I will continue the chapter chemical reaction. So today I will discuss about types of chemical reaction. So let's start. First, combination reaction. What is combination reaction? A chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance is called a combination reaction. Means let A is an element and B is another element. When they combine with each other, they form AB, a single element. So in a combination reaction, from two elements, one single element is formed. Now see some example of a combination reaction. First, a piece of magnesium. See the example. First, a piece of magnesium means Mg. When ignited in air, means oxygen O2, then it burns with a dazzling white flame, forming magnesium oxide, MgO. So, when magnesium combines with oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed. See the balance equation. Now see another reaction. When hydrogen combines with oxygen, O2, from water, H2O. Now see balance equation. So from two elements, when two elements combine with each other, they form a single element. See some more reaction. When carbon, C, burns in oxygen, from carbon dioxide. Now, how will you know this gas is carbon dioxide? When this gas is passed through lime water, it turns milky. So, this proves that when carbon burns in oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed. Now, see another reaction. When sulfur combines with oxygen or burns in oxygen, then sulfur dioxide is formed. When calcium burns in oxygen, it burns with a red flame, breaks red flame and forming calcium oxide. See? So, magnesium, hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, calcium, phosphorus, when this element burns in oxygen or burns in air, form their oxide. So, means when these two elements combines with each other, they form a single element. See some another reaction. When metals or non-metals react with chlorine, they form their chloride. See example. When sodium combines with or react with chlorine, they form sodium chloride, NaCl. See the balance equation. When hydrogen react with chlorine, hydrogen means non-metal. When non-metal react with chlorine, they also form their chloride. When hydrogen react with chlorine, they form hydrogen chloride. Now here, hydrogen react with chlorine in diffuse sunlight. A question arises here, why hydrogen react with chlorine in diffuse sunlight? Because if hydrogen reacts with chlorine in direct sunlight, the reaction may be explosive. Now see, when non-metal oxide dissolve in water, H2O, form acid, H2SO3. See another reaction. When carbon dioxide dissolve in water, they form carbonic acid, H2CO3. When sulfur trioxide, SO3, react with water or dissolve in water, from sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So when non-metal oxide dissolve in water or non-metal oxide combines with water, they form acid. Now how will know this is acid? These are all acid. Acid turns blue litmus paper red. Now when metal oxide dissolve in water or metal oxide react with water, they form base. H2O, they form base, means sodium hydroxide. When sodium oxide react with water, they form sodium hydroxide, NaOH. See another. When K2O, calcium oxide, react with water, they form calcium hydroxide, KOH. Now how will you know these are basic in nature? Basic sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, as these are basic, they turns red litmus paper blue. So from all this equation, we get to know that in a combination reaction, two or more substances combine to form a single substance. As magnesium combines with oxygen, magnesium oxide from hydrogen combines with oxygen, water is formed, carbon combines with oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed, sulfur combines with oxygen, sulfur dioxide is formed, calcium combines with oxygen, calcium oxide is formed. So when two elements combine to form a single element, this is combination reaction. Now I will discuss about decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which a compound split into two or more simpler substances is called a decomposition reaction. Let A be is a compound. When split, it forms A, it is an element, and B is another element. So in a decomposition reaction, a compound split into two or more simpler substances. Now there are three types of decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition reaction, electric decomposition reaction, and photo decomposition reaction. First, thermal decomposition reaction. What is thermal decomposition reaction? The decomposition reaction brought about by heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction brought about by heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. See example. When calcium carbonate CaCO3 is heated, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is formed. So a compound split into two simpler substances. When calcium carbonate is heated, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is formed. See another reaction. When potassium chlorate KClO3, when potassium chlorate, it is heated in presence of a catalyst MnO4, manganese oxide, at 300 degrees centigrade, then potassium chloride and oxygen gas is formed. So what is thermal decomposition reaction? The decomposition reaction brought about by heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate when heated, it is formed calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Potassium chloride when heated in presence of a catalyst MnO4 at 300 degrees centigrade, Then it split, decomposes to potassium chloride and oxygen. Now electric decomposition reaction. What is electric decomposition reaction? The decomposition reaction which takes place by electricity is known as electric decomposition reaction. The decomposition reactions which take place by electricity is known as electric decomposition reaction. See example. When electric current is passed through water, it decomposes to hydrogen and oxygen. See another reaction. When electric current is passed through sodium chloride solution, it decomposes to sodium and chlorine gas. Now photo decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction reactions which take place in presence of light is known as photo decomposition reaction. So the decomposition reactions which take place in presence of light is known as photo decomposition reaction. See example. When silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it decomposes to silver metal and chlorine gas. See the balance equation. So when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it decomposes to silver metal and chlorine gas. See another reaction. When silver bromide AgBr is exposed to sunlight, it decomposes to silver metal and bromine gas. So from all this reaction we get to know that in a decomposition reaction a compound split one or more simpler substance. Now dissociation reaction. What is dissociation reaction? Dissociation is that chemical reaction in which the molecule of compound dissociates into two or smaller molecules of two or more compounds under special conditions of temperature, pressure, etc. But they are capable of recombining to form the molecule of original compound as soon as the original condition are restored. The dissociation reactions are two types: thermal dissociation and number 2, ionic or electrolytic dissociation. First, thermal dissociation. What is thermal dissociation? When on heating a compound, its molecule breaks up into two or more smaller molecules of other compound and recombine on cooling to form the molecule of the original compound. The reaction is called thermal dissociation. For example, on heating, ammonium chloride dissociate into ammonia and hydrogen chloride, but on cooling they again recombining to form ammonium chloride. Now ionic dissociation. Now ionic dissociation, when electrolytes are dissolved in water, they dissociate into cations and anions. Such type of reaction is called ionic dissociation. For example, when silver nitrate is dissociate, it dissociate into silver ion and NO3 minus ion, Ag plus ion and NO3 minus ion. Such type of reaction is ionic dissociation reaction. The difference of thermal dissociation and thermal decomposition is like that. Thermal dissociation is a reversible reaction, but thermal decomposition is irreversible reaction. Means they cannot change back to their original position. But in case of dissociation reaction, the compound change back to their original position. This is for today. Thank you.